Welcome, today I'm with AKG Y50 and I'm going to show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. So but first we have to focus on the right headphone. On this one, we can find right here a few buttons. To turn on our device, we have to click on this one once, and this indicator starts blinking on the blue. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode. So we can simply put back our headset, move to the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone. Right now we have to take a look on the available devices list and now just wait for our headset. Click on them once. Accept pairing request. And as you can see right now we are connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.